Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share with you top 5 best digital air fryer. The digital air fryers are available for purchase. After examining hundreds of brands, I have selected the best brands of digital air fryers, such as Gourmia, GoWise, and Dash. 450 customers have left candid reviews for the seller of the #1 product, with an average rating of 4.7. If you're curious to know more about the price and details, please feel free to check out the description below. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Top number 1 from our list is Gourmia Air Fryer. Oven digital display, 7 quart, large air fryer, cooker 12, touch cooking, presets, XL air fryer, basket 1700 watt power, multifunction, GAF7-1-6 blackened stainless steel, accents fry force, 360 degree. Top number 2 from our list is Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven, 2.6 QT, gray, compact air fryer for healthier food in minutes, ideal for small spaces, auto shut off, digital, 1000 watt. Top number 3 from our list is GoWise USA 1700 watt 5.8 QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer with recipe book, black. Top number 4 from our list is Lacher 4.2 QT Air Fryer Oven, cooker with temperature and time control, dishwasher non-stick basket, LED digital touchscreen, stainless steel, tray CE certified, black digital. Top number 5 from our list is Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Pouille Rotisserie Dehydrator Convection Oven, 17 touchscreen presets, fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shut off, large easy view window, black. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below.